So here we are given the product of two trig function, sine 50 degree and cosine 85 degree. We need to find out the value. Let us begin. So here we start out with a given expression. We have sine 50 degree times cosine 85 degree. Now, if we suppose that 50 corresponds to angle B and 85 corresponds to angle A, so here clearly A is greater than angle B. Now there is a transformation formula. So the transformation formula being 2 times cosine of angle A times sine of angle B. So that's given by sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. So it's going to be a difference of two sine function. So let's try to use this particular transformation formula. So our given problem now transforms to, so here we are missing a factor 2. So what we'll do, we'll multiply and divide by 2. We have half times 2 sine 50 degree times cosine of 85 degrees. Right. So that will be equals to half. So here we now apply the transformation formula. We have sine of, we need to first add the two angles. We have 50 degrees plus 85 degrees minus sine of, so here we need to be a little bit careful here. We have considered A to be 85 degree and B to be 50 degree. So we'll subtract 50 degree from 85 degrees. So 85 minus 50. Right. So this will be equals to half. Now sine 50 plus 85. So that's going to be 135 degrees minus sine. So we have 85 minus 50. So that's going to be 35 degrees. So let's try to find out the value of sine 135 degrees, because that can be easily obtained using some laws of trigonometry. So we'll start with sine 135 degree. Now this can be also expressed as sine. So if we subtract 45 degrees from 180 degrees, we get 135 degrees. But there's a reason why we're writing in this particular fashion, because 180 degree is 2 times 90 degree. Minus 45 degree. Now what we have here is a even multiple of 90 degree. So when we have this condition, we have 2 times 90 degree minus theta. So our sine is going to remain as a sine, and we'll have sine of the new angle, which is going to be 45 degrees. Now the question lies, in which quadrant do we lie? So we're going to lie in the second quadrant, because 2 times 90 degree clearly means we are in the second quadrant, because this 2 is telling us we are in the second quadrant. Then again, we are also subtracting an angle 45 degree from it. But luckily 45 degree is an acute angle, so we are still going to lie in the second quadrant. We know that in the second quadrant the sine function is positive. So we're getting positive sine 45 degree, and its value is 1 over square root of 2. So let's plug in this value, and our final result comes out to be half multiplied to 1 over square root of 2 minus sine 35 degree. It becomes a little bit difficult to find out the value of sine 35 degree, so we're keeping it as it is. So this is the value of the product sine 50 degree times cosine 85 degrees.